Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face, or how self-driving cars identify roads, traffic signs, and pedestrians? Computers don't actually have eyes, yet somehow artificial intelligence can analyze images, recognize objects, and even understand what's happening in a picture. This remarkable technology is called computer vision. But how can a machine see the world? Let's find out. Welcome to Analytics Campus. I'm Dr. Mike, and in the next few minutes, I'll break this down in the simplest way possible. Every day, humans process millions of visual details without even thinking about it. We instantly recognize faces, objects, colors, and movements. For computers, however, understanding an image is not so simple. A computer sees an image as nothing more than millions of tiny dots called pixels. Each pixel contains numerical information representing colors and brightness. Computer vision is the branch of artificial intelligence that enables machines to interpret and understand these visual patterns. The first step is image acquisition. Images are captured through cameras, smartphones, drones, satellites, or medical scanners. Once captured, the image is converted into digital data. Next comes pre-processing. The AI improves image quality by removing noise, adjusting brightness, and enhancing important details. After pre-processing, the system begins feature extraction. AI searches for important patterns such as edges, shapes, textures, colors, and contours. These features help the computer identify objects within the image. Modern computer vision systems often use deep learning models known as convolutional neural networks, or CNNs. These networks learn from millions of labeled images. For example, by analyzing thousands of cat images, the AI gradually learns the features that distinguish cats from dogs or other animals. Object detection is another important capability. Computer vision systems can locate and classify multiple objects simultaneously. This technology powers facial recognition systems, self-driving cars, security cameras, medical diagnostics, and industrial automation. In healthcare, computer vision helps doctors detect diseases from X-rays and medical scans. In agriculture, it monitors crop health. In transportation, it allows autonomous vehicles to navigate safely. Despite its impressive abilities, computer vision still faces challenges. Poor lighting, unusual angles, image quality, and bias in training data can affect performance. Even so, computer vision continues to improve rapidly. As AI evolves, machines are becoming increasingly capable of understanding the visual world around them. The future may soon include machines that perceive images almost as effectively as humans. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Analytics Campus and turn on notifications so you never miss content that builds your data and AI skills.